Hello everyone, welcome back to another ride.
Welcome back.
Today we are going to Hobby Lobby and probably another flea market, and probably we're going to go to also the restaurant Mamacitas.
Yes.
Which is always yummy.
So good. And visually pleasing.
Yes, and we're going to see what else they have at Hobby Lobby. If they have like anything different, we'll record it, but if really nothing is different, then we probably won't. We'll just go straight to the restaurant. So.
Yeah.
Let's go. Hello everyone, welcome back. So we just got out of Hobby Lobby. There wasn't really anything new, but we did see, we did get some stuff from there, so we're gonna show you right now. So whoa, so he's working on a project right now, and so we got these brushes. They were only $4.99. So
yeah, there was a set that I found that was $7.99, and then we started browsing around and I found that has everything the same, literally $3 cheaper.
Yeah. So then we also got this. It's like goes back and forth. It says "Do not wake the child," and also on the opposite side it says "Warning: stronger than you think." And then it has this, and then it has him opening and closing his eyes. And
we also got some.
If I can get it. Also got some hair ties. They were on sale as well. So.
Oh yeah, that was like on.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was on.
It was very cute. I got them. And then I got these little summer gnomes. I was trying to make sure that they didn't have anything apart, like falling apart, nothing, because there were some that like the little arms had off or whatever. But this one came out perfect. Give that to my mom. And then got me some Takis just on the road. I'm probably not gonna eat a lot. Probably one or two.
Just something to snack on.
And also we also got something else, but I don't want to show you. Like that's for a future stuff.
Like
that's
later
it's gonna happen. Okay.
And once you see it, you're like, oh my god, that's so cute.
Exactly. So that's mostly everything that we got, and yeah, so that's all that we got, our little mini haul for Hobby Lobby. And now we're gonna go to Mamacita's to go eat because we're really hungry.
Oh my god.
So hopefully there's not that many people there and we can go straight in and eat. So
yeah,
let's go. Okay, we're here at Mamacita's. Look how pretty it is today. We're gonna go in right now. Here it goes. Hello everyone, welcome back. So we came back from Mamacita's. Obviously you see a little bit of clips that we took and a little bit of pictures that we took as well. And right now we're at the car wash. We're doing the premium one. So
yes,
we're gonna see this dirty car into a sparkly car. So
it'll be fun.
Yeah, so let's go in and see. Well, we're gonna see how it looks since we're going in right now.
Well, yeah.
Okay. Welcome back, everyone. Oh, well,
Yes.
we just got done. Where did we go?
We went to Hobby Lobby.
Mm-hmm.
Then we went to some Mamacita's restaurant. Then we went to get the car washed, which was I never went through that. I never went through that before.
And my car hasn't went through that for a couple months, you know, so it was really dirty. So we got that done. My car is happy now.
Yes.
It's super shiny and clean. And then now, that's pretty much it. We just went to get a little bit of stuff from Walmart, and it's pretty much it for today. Don't you worry. There's going to be a upload of the 7 Seas SeaWorld soon, so keep on lookout for that. So, see you guys on the next ride. Peace.